Hey guys, welcome to Manual Education. Are you worried about your career after 12th? Are you worried what career path to choose after 12th? You really want to get into management fields, but worried that you might have to wait till your graduation to get into it? Well, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, we're gonna talk about a course or an exam which will take you to your dream of getting into an management an inch closer. And that too just after your 12th. Yes guys, we are talking about the IPM or the IPMET program which is available in the IIM Rohtak. So stay tuned in this video because we're gonna look about the eligibility criteria, the fee structure and the placements. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for 2023 and 24 where you get live classroom, books, ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full and then sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You'll get 10,000 plus questions to solve and you get a proper mentorship. You'll also be guided for the GD, VAT and the PI. You can target for IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, SET General, Symbiosis, NLU Delhi, NMIMS and other various campuses. If you're Mumbai based, looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai, you can contact our number at 8828581455 for live classes and an online session. Or else you can also visit the official website which is www.manuveredu.com for more information. Now let's get straight into the video. So before pursuing the program IPMET, one should know what is IPM. It is a 5-year integrated course or integrated program in management known as IPM for students after class 12 who aim to pursue their career in business management. So it's a business management degree or a course. It is a comprehensive management program that has a combined course of management studies from undergraduate to postgraduate. So it's a 5 years integrated course where 3 years will be for your BBA and 2 years will be for your MBA. You spend 5 years in your IIM Rohtak and once you pass out from the college you get an MBA degree. So you join as a 12th standard pass out and you come out as an MBA. Suppose if a student doesn't want to continue for the whole 5 years, then the student will be handed a BBA degree of 3 years and will be asked to exit from the university after this 3 years and taking a BBA degree. Now let's look at some important eligibility criteria to get into the IIM Rohtak. Students coming from general, NCOBC, EWS category, they need to have a minimum of 60% marks in class 10th and 12th. And the maximum age should be 20 years of age as of 31st July 2021. For SC, ST and PWD OA, the minimum person stands at 55% in class 10th or 12th. Maximum age remains the same, 20 years as of 31st July 2021. International aspirants can also apply for the same with the same eligibility criteria mentioned above. So even they have to fit in with this criteria. Once form filled and submitted, it cannot be edited. There are no editing windows. So you have to fill your form really carefully because once you submit your form, there isn't any editing option. And once it is submitted, it cannot be undone. Another important point over here is there is no automatic entry in the 4th and the 5th year of this course, which means a student have to maintain a CGPA of 5 for 3 years, 3 years of BBA. Students failing to maintain the CGPA of 5 for 3 years of BBA are not eligible to get into the 4th or the 5th year, which means if you fail to maintain your CGPA of 5 of 3 years, you will not get the degree of MBA because MBA is your last 2 years program, right? First you have to complete your 3 years of BBA, then you get into your 2 years of MBA program. So if you fail to maintain your CGPA of 5 in 3 years of BBA, you will not be getting the degree of MBA, and they might even ask you to leave the university or the campus with a BBA degree of 3 years. So this is a very important point. Now let's look at the fee structure and the placements of the 5 years you will be getting over here. The first year is 4,51,000, second year 5 lakh rupees, third year 5 lakh rupees. Now this 3 years stands for BBA. This 2 years stands for your MBA. So the fees for the 2 years MBA program, the 4th year is 7,60,000 and the fee structure for your final year is 8,40,000. Now when you add on this, it's around 15 lakh rupees. and if you add all this, it's around 15 lakh rupees. Spending 15 lakh over a year is justified because you gonna get a degree of MBA, which is really worthy. But spending 15 lakh over a year for a BBA degree is, I know, something really on the higher side. The fee structure for BBA is a bit higher, but if you compare the fee structure of BBA with IIM Indore, the IIM Indore stands at really high rate compared to IIM Rohtak. So this is still a convenient fee structure if I compare to other top IIMs. Now let's look at some placement statistics. The highest CTC of the package students have got over here is 32 lakh per annum. So now let's look here. The total fee structure for the 5 years stands at 30 lakh 51,000. And now let's look at the placement. The highest package stands at 32 lakh per annum. So your ROI is definitely greater than your investment. Average salary or CTC you will be getting over here is 16.6 lakhs per annum. Median 15 lakhs per annum. 16.3% yearly increase in your salary, and 80 plus total recruiters, out of which 40 were the new recruiters last year. So fee structure, I agree, for 3 years is like 15 lakh rupees, but still the average package you get over here is 16 lakhs and the highest at 32 lakhs. So it's always your ROI greater than your investment. These are the placement statistics, industry wise placement. The consulting sector has got 45% of placement. BFSI or banking and finance sector has got 21% of placement. E-commerce 11%, education sector 7%, IT sector 7%, manufacturing 7%, and other sectors 2%. So the placement stats is very good. So these are some prominent recruiters and some top names over here: Accenture, BMW, Cognizant, Gamesbury Labs, Gartner, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Kimaya, Oyo, Yes Bank, MI, Tresvista, Reliance Industries, KPMG, IndiaMart, Headshedin, Fiat, Deloitte, Capgemini, Bharat Petroleum, Birlasoft, College Dunia, Decision Point, Elastic Run, Fincare, ICICI Bank, Hero, Mahindra, Marmato. So you just have to make sure that you have to prepare well and get into the top IIMs. It can be either IIM Indore or IIM Rohtak, but you have to make sure that you have to get into the top IIMs, because top IIMs gives you a better ROI, gives you a better future. So prepare for top IIMs. And once again, if you're Mumbai based, you can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're outside Mumbai based, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, you can follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, prepare well and take care.